Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the private browsing function on Safari while you're using your iPhone. It's very easy guys, very simple. The same thing actually works as well if you're using your desktop, Apple device or your tablet as well. So the first thing you want to launch is the Safari, and then when you're over here on the regular usual home screen, right, you want to click over here on the lower side of the screen, and then you want to swipe to the right side. Okay, this is where you're going to find the private browsing. What is important about this? Well, private browsing essentially is using the same functionality as the incognito mode on Google Chrome. There's a couple of updates as you can see over here. There are search suggestions while you browse privately. Suggestions are on the device based. Okay, so this means that if you still have the same account logged in through iPhone, tablet or laptop, you're only going to get the suggestions that are based on the phone usage only, not on the tablet, neither on the laptop as well. So if you click continue, all you gotta do over here is that you want to proceed and click the plus sign. Now you're able essentially to turn on the privately browsing function, and this will help you essentially to prevent tracking. This will help you not get targeted from different companies, from ads, no cookies. Private browsing adds additional privacy protection for all of your private tabs. After you close the tab, Safari will not remember the pages you visited. This is very important. This is how you enter into a private browsing mode on the Safari. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and like this video.